Next, we're going to talk about parentheses. Parentheses are very important. They are what we use to group numbers. And we've talked about properties of addition and multiplication this year and in the fourth grade that use parentheses to group numbers. Can you remember these properties? If you'll please raise your hand, and when you're called on, you can share the properties of addition and multiplication that use parentheses. Okay, so it's time to see if what you remember is correct. If you said the associative property of addition or multiplication, you're absolutely correct. When we are using the associative property, that means that no matter which way we group the numbers, as long as we're using the same operation, our answer will be the same. The other property is a distributive property. That's where we take a number. So if we had 5 times 45, we could take 45 and break it down into 40 plus 5 and then distribute the 5 by multiplying it to both the 40 and the 5 to get our answer. So go ahead and take just a second. You'll need to fill in the blanks on your notes with associative property and distributive property. So please pause the video and get these words filled in on your note sheet. Another very important thing that parentheses are for is they tell us what we need to do first when we're solving a problem. So I have an expression below, and we are going to put parentheses in this expression so we know what to do first. And I would like to put parentheses around the numbers that we're adding because I want that to be done first. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the screen. So if I want to put parentheses in here around the numbers I want to add first, I have 2 plus 3 times 5. Well, look at the numbers in the expression that are closest to the addition sign. That would be the 2 and then behind the 3. So that's how I would insert my parentheses so I could group the 2 and the 3 together. That way whenever I solve the problem, I know that I need to do 2 plus 3 before I multiply by 5. So go ahead and make sure that you draw in or write in your parentheses around the 2 and the 3 because this means we need to add before we multiply.